Welcome back to Universal Countdown, your go-to channel for amazing life hacks and practical tips. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 life hacks that have been tested and proven to work wonders in everyday situations. Get ready to simplify your life and discover some truly game-changing hacks that will leave you amazed. Let's dive right in. The perfect way to fold a t-shirt in seconds. Tired of spending precious minutes folding laundry? Here's a quick and efficient method to fold your t-shirts in seconds. Follow these steps. Lay the t-shirt flat on a surface. Pinch the t-shirt with your left hand at the shoulder seam and halfway down the shirt. With your right hand, grab the bottom corner of the shirt. Fold the bottom corner up towards the neckline, aligning it with the opposite shoulder. Fold the remaining portion of the shirt in half. Smooth out any wrinkles. And there you have it, a perfectly folded t-shirt in seconds. Unlocking a car with a tennis. Ever found yourself locked out of your car with no spare key in sight? Don't panic. We've got a surprising solution involving a tennis ball. Follow these steps. Cut a small hole in the tennis ball. Position the ball over the keyhole of the locked car door. Apply firm and steady pressure on the ball, creating an airtight seal. The air pressure created inside the ball can trigger the locking mechanism, unlocking the door. Once the door is unlocked, carefully remove the ball and regain access to your car. Reviving a wet phone with rice. Accidentally dropped your phone in water? Fear not. Our next life hack will teach you how to rescue a water-damaged phone using a simple pantry staple, rice. Follow these steps. Remove the phone from the water immediately. Power off the phone and remove the battery. Pat the phone dry with a soft cloth or paper towel. Place the phone in a container filled with uncooked rice, ensuring it is completely submerged. Leave the phone in the rice for at least 24 minutes 48 hours to allow the rice to absorb moisture. After the recommended time, remove the phone from the rice and check if it powers on. If the phone doesn't turn on, consider seeking professional help or alternative solutions. Removing stubborn stains with natural ingredients. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. We'll introduce you to some surprising natural ingredients that can work wonders in removing common stains. Follow these steps. For coffee spills, mix baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste to the stained area, gently scrub, and rinse with water. For ink marks, dab a cotton ball or cloth with rubbing alcohol or white vinegar. Blot the stained area until the ink transfers to the cloth. Rinse with water and repeat if necessary. For grease stains, sprinkle cornstarch or baby powder on the stain and let it sit for a few hours to absorb the grease. Brush off the powder and launder as usual. For wine stains, immediately blot the stain with a clean cloth or paper towel. Sprinkle salt or baking soda on the stain to absorb the liquid. Rinse with cold water and launder. Organizing cables with simple solutions. Tangled cables driving you crazy? Our final life hack will help you conquer the cable chaos. Follow these steps. Use binder clips. Attach binder clips to the edge of your desk or table. Thread the cables through the metal loops to keep them organized and easily accessible. Try cable clips. Use adhesive cable clips to secure cables to the back of your desk or along the wall. This keeps them in place and prevents tangling. Utilize toilet paper rolls. Collect empty toilet paper rolls and label them for different types of cables. Place the cables inside the rolls for a neat and tidy storage solution. And there you have it, the top 5 life hacks that actually work. We've provided step-by-step instructions to help you implement these hacks successfully. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine and witness the positive impact they can have on simplifying your life. Remember to share this video with your friends and family so they too can benefit from these incredible life hacks. Stay tuned to Universal Countdown for more exciting content and valuable tips. Thank you for watching.